Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include heated steering wheel, leather seats, steering wheel controls, rear heated seats, ventilated seats. Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, ventilated front seats, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.